Subbulakshmi. I am completed my BEC at 2021 at Anjali Ammal Magalingam Engineering College. After completing my course, I am at 2025 only. I am joined a QSpider, and in that QSpider I learned lot of things. Apart from the technical skills, I learned more confidence and how to speak fluently in English. That's the main part of changing my life. So I'm really very grateful to thank you for QSpider for everyone. I'm not mentioned particularly. I'm really thankful to Itika sir and Amiz and my Java trainers, and also thankful to HR team. And I'm sorry to mention everyone's name, but I'm really grateful to thank you everyone of in QSpiders team. Thank you so much.